Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying the simplest but crucial items so Google can even find the logo. First, open the logo URL and make sure it returns 200 and serves the correct MIME type, otherwise bots can't fetch it. Next, ensure the image dimensions match recommended ranges and prefer SVG or PNG for clarity. Finally, add the logo visibly in your header and reference it in your site's structured data. These steps get you past blocking issues and prepare for indexing. Once done with basic accessibility, implement organization schema using JSON LD and include the logo property with an absolute URL. This tells Google explicitly which image represents your brand. After adding the code, validate it in Rich Results Test and then submit the page URL in Search Console to request indexing. Make sure the logo URL is listed in your sitemap or otherwise crawlable. If it's blocked by robots, TXT, or uses disallowed parameters, Google won't pick it up. Now finalize by forcing Google to reevaluate the page. Open Search Console's URL inspection, run a live test, and request indexing. Monitor the coverage and enhancements reports for errors or warnings and inspect manual actions. If the logo still doesn't appear, troubleshoot common causes. Conflicting markup pointing to different logos, CDN hotlink protections blocking bots or robots, TXT blocking the image. If necessary, clear caches and re-request indexing. One key tip: test using Google's Rich Results Test and resubmit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.